Listen to the opposite words. Read the sentences along with the video, then repeat the words. At the end of the video, there's a quiz for you to try. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The dog is short. Tall, short. Day, night. It is a nice day to play outside. At night, I sleep in my bed. Day, night. Empty, full. This glass is empty. This glass is full. Empty, full. Hot, cold. The hot chocolate is hot. The fruit juice is cold. Hot, cold. Up, down. This airplane is going up. This airplane is going down. Up, down. Wet, dry. This dog is wet. This dog is dry. Wet, dry. Open, closed. This door is open. This door is closed. Open, closed. Young, old. This boy is young. This man is old. Young, old. Big, small. The dinosaur is big. The kitten is small. Big, small. Fast, slow. The cheetah runs fast. The snail is slow. Fast, slow. Happy, sad. This face is happy. This face is sad. Happy, sad. On, off. The owl is on the box. The owl is off the box. On, off. Soft, hard. The pillows are soft. The rocks are hard. Soft, hard. Dirty, clean. This t-shirt is dirty. This t-shirt is clean. Dirty, clean. Kind, mean. The boy is kind to his friend. The boy is mean to the other boy. Kind, mean. Near, far. The owl is near the box. The owl is far from the box. Near, far. Good, bad. This food is good. This food is bad. Good, bad. Straight, curly. The girl's hair is straight. The girl's hair is curly. Straight, curly. In front, behind. The girl is in front of the bookshelf. The girl is behind the bookshelf. In front, behind. Awake, asleep. The cats are awake. The cats are asleep. Awake, asleep. Now for the quiz. For each question, finish each sentence number 2 by saying the opposite word to sentence number 1. This is the day. This is the night. This is the night. The cat is wet. The cat is dry. The cat is dry. The dog is off the table. The dog is the table. On. The dog is on the table. This hair is straight. This hair is Curly. This hair is curly. The family is in front of the house. The yard is in the back of or the house. Behind. The yard is in the back of or behind the house. The house is near. The buildings are far. The buildings are far. The face in this cup is happy. The face on this cup is sad. The face on this cup is sad. This fur is soft. These stones are hard. These stones are hard. This lady is awake. This lady is asleep. This lady is asleep. This monster looks mean. This monster looks kind. This monster looks kind. The tree is tall. The cactus is short. The cactus is short. These people are young. These people are old. These people are old. The dishes are dirty. The dishes are clean. The dishes are clean. The balloons are up. The balloon is down. The balloon is down. This bread is good. This bread is bad. This bread is bad. The window is open. The window is closed. The window is closed. The beetle is big. The ant is small. The ant is small. The robots run fast. The turtle is slow. The turtle is slow. The fire is hot. The winter is cold. The winter is cold. The cup is empty. The cup is full. The cup is full. Congratulations! You learned 20 pairs of opposite words. Very good. Keep practicing.